Imagine this. In just 30 days, you could be $10,000 richer. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what can happen when you step into the world of digital product reselling, a vibrant marketplace where information becomes income. Choosing the right digital product is essential, and it's true that not all digital products meet the same standards. Many of us have experienced the disappointment of purchasing digital products that turned out to be inferior, offering nothing more than basic information that could easily be found with a simple Google search, all wrapped up in an attractive ebook cover. Inside, you expect to discover groundbreaking insights and unique tips, only to realize you've bought something of little value. This is exactly the scenario you want to avoid when you start selling your own digital products. You should aim to create a digital product that delivers substantial value and addresses the specific needs of your target audience, whether it's a PLR, private label rights, ebook, or an MRR, master resale rights, course. These products should not only provide value, but also resonate with your niche. For those unfamiliar, PLR allows you to sell a product that buyers can customize and rebrand. For instance, if you create an ebook on starting a hair business, you can target not only aspiring entrepreneurs, but also others in the beauty industry who might want to use your content under their own brand. This enables you to profit from direct sales and from others who resell your product. MRR, on the other hand, allows you to sell your product as is to customers who can then resell it without modifications, ensuring you profit from ongoing sales to a market looking for ready-to-sell solutions. By leveraging PLR, you reach customers who need your insights and those looking to sell similar products. This dual strategy can maximize your earnings. Turning your product into a high-ticket item is another strategy that can significantly increase your income. By offering a high-value product at a premium price, such as $10,000 in a month from a well-valued high-ticket item, you not only boost your profit margins, but also position your brand as premium in your niche. I believe that focusing on high-ticket items has simplified and accelerated my income generation compared to relying solely on lower-priced products, which require higher volumes to achieve substantial returns. By setting a premium price, not only do you enhance your profit margins, but you also elevate your brand's perceived value in the eyes of your audience. For instance, my high-ticket item is priced at $297, and with just 20 sales, I can easily generate $10,000. However, I understand the importance of affordability and accessibility for many people, so consider a price point like $150, which would require about 63 sales to reach $10,000, or even $57, which would mean roughly 175 sales. It's crucial to ensure that the price matches the value you're offering. You want them to align closely to maintain credibility and customer satisfaction. If you manage to position your product as a high-ticket item effectively, you simplify the process for yourself. Now, knowing what kind of digital product to develop and how to price it, let's delve into mastering social media marketing, a topic many are eager to learn about. Whether you're engaging in paid advertising or opting for organic growth, social media is where you connect with your target audience. The key strategy here is straightforward, though it may frustrate some due to its simplicity and the effort required. The true magic in social media marketing lies in being authentic and consistent. You need to present yourself genuinely and persistently, especially in the early stages, to establish a strong presence. It's advisable to post regularly, at least 3 times a day, and analyze your engagement data to determine the optimal times for posting. I've shifted from posting during traditional peak hours to later in the evening and even overnight, which has resulted in better engagement for my content. Lately, I've been adjusting my posting schedule based on what works best for me, and it's been quite effective. Understandably, everyone's posting routine will vary depending on personal lifestyles and when their audience is most active online. When creating Reels or Instagram stories, it's crucial to position yourself as the solution to your target audience's problems. Once you pinpoint exactly who you're targeting and understand their specific issues, your digital product should be aimed at resolving these challenges. The content you create to market this product should effectively demonstrate how you're solving these problems, while also providing valuable knowledge that followers can refer to time and again. Occasionally, it's good to mix in some entertainment or personal touches to keep the content engaging and not overly business-oriented. These are the principles I adhere to when posting on social media to attract buyers and maintain consistency. For those aiming to stay authentic to their brand, consider producing your own content, whether it's with or without showing your face. Engage in simple, everyday activities without overcomplicating things. Currently, straightforward, low-effort content is really resonating on Instagram. Simply capturing what you're doing daily or using raw footage and ensuring your video hooks are compelling can effectively grab the attention of your audience. If you prefer ready-made options, content banks online offer an array of pre-filmed material that can be adapted for your reels and stories. Simplifying content creation. It's crucial to ensure that your captions grab attention and encourage people to spend more time on your posts by including valuable information and relevant keywords. Remember, don't overcomplicate things. There's no secret trick, despite what many may believe. I've often said that success comes down to mindset and persistence in applying effective strategies over time. Many people start promoting their digital products on social media, but quickly give up if they don't see immediate results. However, consistent presence and building a trustworthy brand are key to success in digital marketing. For those wondering about launching your own digital products, but feeling unsure due to lack of resources, I've got something for you. I have a comprehensive digital product bundle that includes 13 PLR, private label rights, products. These products allow you to customize everything from the colors to the fonts, effectively making them your own, and they can be sold for 100% profit. Additionally, if you're new to my channel or to digital products in general, I'd like to introduce my digital marketing course. This course covers all aspects from product creation to mastering sales techniques. It will guide you through the processes, equipping you with the knowledge to start your journey toward financial freedom using digital products. I've been able to leverage this course as a high-ticket item, repeatedly selling it for 100% profit. This means if you decide to purchase the course from me, you too can resell it multiple times for full profit. All the details on how to get started with this course are provided in the description box below. I hope you find these tips both helpful and motivating. If someone had told me back in January where I'd be today, I wouldn't have believed them. Remember, investing in yourself is the most valuable investment you can make. With the right mindset, determination, and ambition, you can progress from where you are now to where you want to be, fundamentally transforming your current situation. Thank you all for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I encourage you to binge watch my other videos. You're likely to find that you enjoy them, and if so, please subscribe to Profitability Plus. Thanks so much for watching.